This is a tutorial on how to create classroom web pages using Edline. This video does not cover account activation for Edline. To activate your account, please see the Edline account activation video. What is Edline? Edline is the web host for all ACPS district, department, school, and class web pages. In Edline, all teachers receive a web page for each course and section number in their schedule. Edline class pages should contain course content, study notes, links to resources, and other course-related information. This is an example of a typical secondary schedule showing first and second semesters. Each course has a different student roster. This is an example of an elementary schedule showing first and second semesters. Each course would have the same roster for the whole day. Your content can easily be controlled whether you are managing one or many pages. To get started editing your pages, click the Sign In button. The Sign In button is located at the top right of every web page within the ACPS domain. Your username should be your email address, and your password should be your Active Directory password. To see your classes, hover over the My Edline link. This list should match your schedule for the day. Your classes will appear with the schedule names, course and section number. First, click on the class you want to edit. Every class is broken down into 6 sections. On the left is links. The center area is for your summary and for your friendly name of your class. Beneath that is news, calendar, and questions and comments. Off to the right is the contents area. This is where you will add documents and other files for your site. Every home page has a list view. List view is the best way to add or edit the content area of your class page. From here you can add documents, links, and more. You can also organize content by creating folders. As you develop your site, you will need to be in List View to access the buttons along the bottom. They can be used to make changes to items checked in the list. Features are Copy, Move, Approve, Reject, Delete, Change Visibility, Reorder, and Manage the class. Managing class visibility is a valuable tool for hiding unused class pages. Just click the class, click Manage Visibility. Uncheck all users except administrators, then click the Update button. This will remove your class from public view. If your school is not activating parent accounts, the class rosters are not relevant. You may publish one or several pages. Parents will access your class pages via the staff directory. Details on the staff directory are covered later in this tutorial. If you plan to use parent accounts with Edline, classes that have different student rosters should be published separately. Remember, when a parent logs in, they hover over the My Edline link and only see the classes their child is rostered in. If you plan to use parent accounts with Edline, classes that have the same student rosters can be hidden. The one class that is visible can contain content for all classes using the same student roster. This is optional and usually relevant to elementary schools. Courses are uploaded with a course and section number as the class name. The first thing to do is rename your classes. Use your course ID and section numbers to identify your classes by comparing them to your schedule. In the example of the secondary schedule, this pre-calculus honors class should be renamed with the teacher's last name and a friendly name like pre-calculus honors period 2. To begin editing, choose a class from your list and click the Edit This Page link. Level 1 editing shows summary info, visibility, URL, and help tools at the top. When finished editing a page, you must remember to click the Done button. The summary area of your page is the upper center column. Click the Summary Info link to edit that section of your page. Here's where you will rename your class to a friendly name. This is the name that will be displayed in the My Edline dropdown and in the staff directory. Now add an introduction to your class in the next section. Every class page comes with a place for an image. Size specifications are 495 by 150 pixels. Class page pictures should be optimized to display properly. If you need help with this, ask your school web admin. When you're finished editing, click the Save and Return button and view your page. When you are finished making edits to your page, click the Done button. Your Edline class pages should contain course content, study notes, links to resources, and other course-related information. Homework assignments, test dates, grades, and other student data-related information should be entered into Infinite Campus, not Edline. For training on advanced features for IC Gradebook, watch the IC Gradebook Advanced video. The Contents section is where your documents and folders are created and organized. Content items can be documents, which are simple web pages, or attachments like PDFs, PowerPoints, and Word docs. They can be links to other web resources, slideshows, video, and folders, which can contain any other content item. Adding documents. Remember, documents can be simple web pages or attachments like PDF, Word docs, or PowerPoints. We're going to add a simple document page or web page. First, we go to the Contents List view, then click Add Document. We will name the document a friendly name. This name will be displayed on the web page. Then we will choose the Enter Text by Hand option, which creates a simple web page that supports text, images, tables, and video. In the Enter Text by Hand area, you will see a WYSIWYG editor at the top of the section. This is a simple editor that will give you the option to format your text, add tables, images, video, align text, and other options, including a simple HTML editor. Now you can use the multi-post option to add this document to other classes. You will see your classes listed in the box on the left in the multi-posting section. Choose the classes you wish to multi-post to and click the Add button. Now click Save and Return. Then click Done. Now check the links. And check the links on the pages you multi-posted to. Be sure that your links work and the documents display properly. Adding a document as an attachment to contents. Attachments can be PowerPoint, Word docs, PDFs, and other documents. To add a document as an attachment, click the Contents link. Choose Document and click the Add button. After naming the document, choose the Import an Existing File option. Click the Browse button and browse to your computer to choose the file that you would like to import. Now click the Import button. You will now see that the document is attached. You have the option at this point to delete that document and begin again. As always, you can multi-post this attachment to other classes. Click Save and add another, or click Save and return if you're finished. If you choose Save and add another, you will return to the Create Document screen where you will go through the same steps. To add a link to your Contents section, choose Link from the drop-down menu and click the Add button. First, name it. Then copy and paste the URL into the link section. If you want your link to open in a new window, click the checkbox. Multi-posting is optional. Click Save and Return, and be sure to click the Done button. Always check everything for accuracy and functionality. These links and documents open in a new tab or browser window. All Edline class pages come with assignments and tests in the Contents section. Since we will be posting all grades, homework assignments, and other important dates in Infinite Campus, these items can be removed from your Edline content class pages. In this next section, we will show you how to delete these links and add a link to Infinite Campus. Infinite Campus is where parents will be able to log in securely to view this important information. To remove these sections, click Edit this page. Then click the pencil in the Content section. Click the check boxes next to the assignments and tests. Then click Delete and click OK to confirm the deletion. Links are usually resources outside of your class page, like textbooks or supplemental web resources. First, click Edit this page. In the Link section, hover until you see the pencil icon and click it. Click Link and click the Add button. Name it. Copy and paste the URL. Choose the class pages you wish to multi-post the link to. Then click Save and add another, or Save and return. We want to be sure to add a link for the IC Parent Portal to all the class pages in the Links section. To do this, click Edit this page. Then click Add a Link. Name it the IC Parent Portal. Add a summary line, like homework assignments, tests, and quiz dates. This text will appear when the link is moused over. Paste in the URL for the portal and check Open in a new window. Click Save and Return. Click Done. Always check everything for accuracy and functionality. You may want to add news and calendar events to your page. Adding news items is just like adding a document in Edline. First, click Edit this page to access news and calendar content areas. When you hover over each section, you'll see a pencil icon. Click the pencil icon. Select News and click the Add button. Name it. All news can be posted on the calendar and multi-posted to other calendars. News can be posted in a variety of formats. In this example, we are using the Enter Text by Hand option. Click Save and Return, then click Done. This item was posted in News and on the calendar at the same time. Sometimes it's necessary to reorder content. Use the Reorder tool to organize content, links, news, and calendar items. First, go to your List view. From List view, click the Reorder button. Enter numerical values in each box. Click Save and Return, then click Done. Check your list to be sure that your items are now in the correct order. Then click Done. Copying content from an existing web page. Existing web pages have HTML code that may not display properly in Edline documents. In this example, we will be adding content to an Edline document using the Enter Text by Hand feature. After naming the document, we will click the Enter Text by Hand link. In the first example, we'll copy the text right from the old web page. This is not a recommended practice, as when you paste that text into the document, the results can be unpredictable. Best practices are to paste the text into Notepad or a simple text editor, then copy it from there and paste it into the Edline editor. In this example, you can see how different the results are. Use the toolbar to format the text. Adding text from a Word document can have similar issues because there is code behind a Word document that you can't see. Using the Enter Text by Hand feature, we will copy some text from a Word document. Then click the Word icon in the Edline toolbar. Paste the text from Word into the pop-up window and click Insert. Then you can format the text using the Edline toolbar. Click Save and Return. Adding an image to a document page. Click the tree icon to insert an image to a document page. Select the image from your computer. Click Upload. With web pages, the smaller the image, the better, and the faster the page will load. You can do some simple size modifications in the Appearance tab, and then click Update. Large images should not be resized in Edline. Use a free editor like drpic.com to optimize images for your documents. Text and images can be linked to other web pages or documents. In this example, we will link an image to another web page. Select the image and click the link icon in the Format toolbar. Enter the URL for the web page that you want to link to, and then use the Target drop-down to control how the new page will open. Most web pages should open in a new tab or new window. Click Save and Return. The Edline staff directory will replace the faculty and staff pages as well as any class website pages that we have had in the past. Parents can easily find your class pages by using the directory. You can edit your profile, add a profile picture, and some information about yourself. Your class pages will be listed by their friendly name, and they will automatically be linked. You control the visibility of the classes in this list. You will see checkboxes where you can check and uncheck the classes you wish to have displayed. Click Done when you are finished editing.